Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Brooks. I started 3D printing about 2 months ago and recently opened up an Etsy shop and got some things on for sale. And this is just me and you going through the process of starting a small 3D print up startup. So today we've got a lot of things to go through. We've got how the business is going. We got a new 3D printer new on the market that we want to kind of talk about, and a few other things. So let's get into it. All right, so first thing, let's get the elephant out of the room and talk about the new Bambu Lab H2D printer that just released. At least got to talk about it for a little bit, so it's not 100% clickbait. Um, but yeah, so they just released the Bambu Lab H2D printer. You can get right now 3 versions. You can just get the H2D by itself. Um, you can get the combo that comes with the new AMS2, and then you can get it with the laser insert for laser engraving and cutting. Um, the pricing on it, I got it pulled up right here. So $18.99 for just the H2D, uh, $21.99 for the H2D AMS combo, and then $27.99 for the laser combo. Uh, as someone that's new in the 3D printing industry, I'm probably not the best person to review and talk about something like this, but I also am in a way as my my standpoint on the new printer. I think it sounds and looks awesome. I think it's way out of my price range for what I'm doing, what I'm looking to do. There would have to be a lot of changes in my business and whatnot to want to shell out that much money for a printer. And I don't see myself really wanting to utilize the laser part of it. So I don't even think I would do that. Now the AMS2, I am pretty interested in that. From what I saw in videos, is the AMS2, they are going to make it compatible, or they want to, with the P1S and the X1C. Uh, I would be interested in something like that because I like the features that it has. The drying and heating elements to it sounds really cool. So that might be a part that I might look into down the road. But the price range and what I think you get out of it in my level of 3D printing and what I'm utilizing it for, I just don't see me taking that jump. So those are my 2 cents. I do know there's some great content creators out there who have already got their hands on them, reviewed them, taken them out, showing them printing. I know Sam Kraft, great content creator. He has an unboxing and not a full review, I don't think, yet on it, but unboxing and getting it printed. So that's a good channel if you want to at least see what it's all about. I would go check that out, but not till after you watch this video, of course. But yeah, I wanted to give my 2 cents, and now let's get into our business. Before we do that, I really just want to say I appreciate everyone that's been watching and supporting the channel. The best way you can support is obviously by hitting that subscribe button. And if you like what you see, you want to see more, hit that notification so you get the old notification whenever we drop new videos. All right, well, let's go around, check some things out. All right, first things first, let's see what's on the printer today. All right, looks like we got a few of the bodies for some orders that were going. So today has been my best day on Etsy for sales. I have just hit 11 sales for today. Um, just got an order in about 20 minutes ago that hit us to that 11 mark, which is crazy. I think my best day before this was 6, and I was like, holy cow. So that's awesome. In my last video, I did talk about how I was starting to uh, print parts for my products ahead of time, trying to get the colors all printed ahead of time. Um, but obviously, that wasn't expecting to get an 11 sale day. And it's crazy how I print all these different colors and then I get an order in and it's for colors I don't have printed in that part. So I've got a lot of printing to do tonight, get some orders going. I do have a couple orders that I did finish right here, um, but we're trying to get as many as going as possible. Uh, Another exciting thing, actually, that order that I just got in 20 minutes ago was my first international order. So it's actually from Australia. So I get to try and figure out how to ship to Australia. If it just print and it goes to USPS or do I need to take it somewhere else? I'm going to find out and I will let you guys know as I find out. So that was some exciting news as well. Um, just someone liked the product enough that they're willing to pay for that shipping to go over there. And heck yeah, I mean, that's got to say something, right? So very exciting on that. Um, oh, other really exciting news for me. Maybe other people aren't excited about it, but we sold our very first ice scoop holder, which if you watched one of my very first videos, was my very first very own design from scratch, and we finally sold one. So let's cut over that and check that out with boxing that up. So yeah, super excited that we finally sold one of our very first designs, the ice scoop holder for the desktop ice maker. It's very exciting. Just like I said, this was our very first own design from scratch, not a remake, nothing. It's nothing fancy, but I like it. And yeah, we just got our very first sale on Etsy on it. I did have to drop the price a little bit. Maybe I was charging a little bit too much, but so maybe we'll get some more sales on it. And also, didn't have boxes to ship it in, so we're reusing an old spool box. It's gonna be about perfect. A little big for it, but little packaging. Boom, boom. Recycle, reuse. That's what we do. So yeah, I mean, I found that super exciting and rewarding that someone wanted a product that I made with from nothing. That was my very first design that I ever made using Fusion 360, and to me, it's just means a little bit more because I made it. It's not something that I remixed. So you know, we'll take those small wins as we get them. I also did a little research and looked at the printing label through Etsy for the international order to Australia, and it does go through USPS. It's I'll take it through USPS, and they work with the carrier to get it to Australia. So it's going to be pretty simple. It's already selected. I would say one of the probably benefits of using Etsy shipping is they've figured all that stuff out. I have also really enjoyed using the Etsy shipping. I've heard some people talking about other ways to save a little bit money on shipping, but the convenience, it's just there, it's easy, and I'm until I'm convinced otherwise, that's just kind of the way I'm going to stick to it. But yeah, I mean, nothing else is really going on other than today has been crazy, and we're going to work and getting through all these orders, get them shipped out. Um, Business is doing good. The funny part is literally this morning I told my wife, like, oh man, I didn't get any orders yesterday. We had 0 orders yesterday. I was like, maybe we need to get up a couple products on our shop, get some more products on there. And we already had some in the works, but then today just went crazy and kind of delayed the new products. And I'll save that for another day. But I definitely want to get some more products on our shop. Right now, I've got 3 products, and I definitely want to get at least one new product a month for this year. So that is my goal, and we're going to try and stick with it. But yeah, once again, I really appreciate everyone hanging out and watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos as I do making it and doing this great hobby that's turning into an actual small business. So if there's anything you guys would like to see in a video, something explained better or a type of video, make sure to drop that stuff in the comments. I definitely will read it and respond. So, and just once again, everyone, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. And just going through this adventure with me. I really do appreciate it. And everyone have yourself a great evening or morning, wherever you're at, whenever you're watching the video, and be kind to yourselves. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If ah, dang it, whoa, whoa. Have a great one, and well, thank you everyone again for watching and hanging out, and you know, ooh, again, let's try this again.